Hello guys, this is second part of the current affair which I was doing. So I did till this point. Researcher at IIT Gandhinagar developed AI-based tool to detect COVID-19 with chest X-ray. Okay, next question is next current affair is India signed a deal with World Bank, and World Bank will provide 750 million dollar to India in case of any emergency response for MSME sector, so that MSME sector will have finances in their hand. That is very important thing. Okay, next is Indian Oil Corporation, signed an MOU or it is some sort of joint venture with Bangladesh Baximco LPG, and this will help Indian Oil Corporation to set up a terminal to import LPG in Bangladesh. So remember this fact. It's very important. Okay. Okay, this is good thing. If you are doing MSME in Gujarat and you have a textile, you need a textile loan, and this is explicitly mean for textile. The MSME who is doing textile textile business, so they can get loan now in one click. Okay, so this is good question. Okay, Har Ghar Jal was created, the concept created by UP government. Actually, the aim of UP government is to provide piped, remember this term, piped water project in Bundelkhand area. If you know, Bundelkhand area is a very dry area, and there is lots of water scarcity there. So, Har Ghar Jal may help Bundelkhand areas people, so that their water problem will be solved. So the term is Har Ghar Jal. Okay. Okay, this is another good question. PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, now it is extended for 5 months. Mr. Modi has come to the TV and talked about, like, we are extending PM Garib Kalyan Yojana to another 5 months. And what will happen in this PM Garib Kalyan Yojana? Every poor person will get 5 kilogram rice or wheat, whatever he or she wants, and 1 kilogram of gram, means dal. Okay, chane ka dal, I guess chana. Okay, and this is another important news actually. After Andhra Pradesh government, Haryana started this concept that that 75% of private job will be given to local people. Okay, okay. Now this is very good actually question. Assam government is supposed to upgrade something called Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. You know this thing, Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary to National Park. So now Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary will be National Park. Okay. Okay. This is another question which was in news. Look, after 1962 war with China, no Indian Prime Minister went to China. The first Indian Prime Minister went to China after 1962 war was Rajiv Gandhi. He met this Chinese premier named Deng Xiaoping. Okay, so they can ask in examination. Okay, next thing. Okay, this is good, bad news for us actually. There are around 239 scientists wrote to World Bank that coronavirus is an airborne, right? So what it means it can stay in air for some time and period of time, and thus transmit through air, right? So this is actually bad news, and that's why please use mask at any circumstance when you're going out. Please use mask. Okay, this is another bad news for India actually. 8 lakh Indian may forced to leave Kuwait after expat quota bill. Kuwaiti government has created this bill, expat quota bill. According to that bill, only 15% of 15% of Indian can stay in Kuwait. Like if the population of Kuwait is suppose 100, so the population of Indian people should not more than 15. So, and this because Kuwaiti population nowadays, what happened in Kuwait, people from outside is more than indigenous, Kuwaiti. So that's why they created this bill. But this may affect Indian because there are many Indian in Kuwait. Okay, if you see in Madhya Pradesh, to prevent corona infection, the Indore Municipal Corporation, very good news, created it, some sort of segregated dustbin. They already had blue and green color of dustbin. Now they created yellow color of dustbin. Yellow color of dustbin will be explicitly for corona waste. Some sort of corona waste will be kept in yellow color of dustbin. Okay, now see this, because this corona time is very bad for many people, because economic condition is not good, because output has decreased substantially. So the Tamil Nadu state government has started giving stipend of around 3,000 rupees to junior lawyer who do not have any four-wheeler, but the condition is he should not have any four-wheeler. Our family income should be less than 2.5 lakh per annum. They'll get 3,000 rupees and they should be enrolled as lawyer for at least 2 years. Okay. And a picture of very rare coral kurkai snake, red color ka. This snake is of red color. It has created stir in social media, because in social media it was there, so everyone was talking about this snake. And this snake was spotted in Dudhwa National Park. Important thing is red coral kurki snake is important, as well as Dudhwa National Park is important, because this park is in Uttar Pradesh, Lakhimpur Khetri district. Okay. Now there was a hackathon. Now government is planning, actually not CSIR and AICT is planning to create a hackathon for potential drug discovery to beat COVID-19 virus. And this was actually announced by Anil Sahasrabuddhe, is the chairman of AICTE, announced at Bennett University webinar on Monday. I mean last Monday. Actually last Monday itself. The hackathon is being organized by CSIR and AICTE. This is important. The hackathon for potential drug discovery will be organized by AICTE and CSIR. Okay. India's foreign exchange has surged tremendously. Now India's foreign exchange is $513.25 billion. Remember this? And this is good news for India. Okay. This is missing. This was Kalia scheme. There was a Kalia scheme of government, right? Odisha government. Now Odisha government has started Balram Yojana. And why? What is the Balram Yojana? Why they have started? It is to provide agriculture credit of rupees 1040 crore to landless farmers who are facing hardship due to coronavirus outbreak. Okay, so Balram Yojana is for is an agriculture credit will be given to landless farmer. Remember this, landless farmer. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, this slide says, look, Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai. He started 17-day mega plantation drive. What will happen in this plantation drive? There 31 lakh sapling, like plant sapling, will be planted across capital this monsoon season. A good news for Delhi. And the campaign name is Paudha Lagao, Paryavaran Bachao. In English, plant trees and save environment. And he started this campaign at ITO Nursery near Yamuna. ITO Nursery near Yamuna. Okay. Now this is also a good news, bad news actually for India. China with 10.1 million ton is the biggest contributor of e-waste. So China is the biggest contributor of e-waste in world. United States is in the second position, that is 6.9 million ton, and India is in third position, that is with 3.2 million ton. Or if you add all the country together, this country accounted for nearly 38% of total world's waste. Okay. Okay. Karnataka Agriculture Minister B.C. Patil informed today that central government has sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees under Atmanirbhar program to improve infrastructure for food park in the state. Okay. Under Atmanirbhar program, the Indian government is giving 4,000 crore rupees to Karnataka government. And why they are giving? They are giving because they want to improve, like Karnataka government has to improve infrastructure for the food park in the state. Okay. Okay, this is first time happened. All India Road Radio broadcasted first ever news magazine program in Sanskrit on 4th of July 2020. Okay, and this is also very good news for world actually. Germany has planned that coal-fired power generation in the country is now official as has end. You know, they want to end coal-fired power generation in the country, and as well as they want to end nuclear power generation also. And till 2038, the aim is till 2038 will remove all the coal plant coal fired power generation as well as nuclear fired power generation. Okay, ISRO captured an image of Phobos. The Phobos is important. Phobos is a moon of Mars. Like Phobos, ISRO satellite has captured Phobos, and ISRO satellite was actually 4,200 kilometers from that Phobos. Okay, another question. A campaign Mission Vriksharopan 2020 has been launched by UP government. Under this campaign, more than 25 crore sampling will be planted on 5 July in UP. And the free plantation drive was launched on the occasion of Guru Purnima, and hence several people were seen planting sapling to pay respect to their mentor. Okay, so UP government has started Mission Vriksharopan 2020. In this, 25 crore plant sapling will be planted on 5th of July UP. So let's move to the next slide. Let me stop here and we'll do two other slides in video 3. Okay.